Mm-hmm. 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 Welcome, guys. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Daryl, and this is Future Proof. In this channel, I teach you guys how to invest into cryptocurrencies, how to save your buying power, and most importantly, how to be profitable in this space. You must be wondering, why is this guy beating his chest when there's so much red on this market right now? Well, that's the question you'd be asking yourself if you learn nothing from my channel. First of all, when you see this red, this is buying time. And in this video, I have some really important TA to share with you guys on why we are literally about to see one of the biggest pumps in Bitcoin history. First, we need to discuss a lot of things, and I hope you guys watch this video to the end. And if you appreciate that I take my time to make this video, you know what to do. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about Bitcoin. We're going to be focused on Ethereum. We're going to talk about the start to flow model. We're also going to talk about the total market cap of BTC and all other altcoins, and the total market cap of altcoins itself. And we're going to be looking at the Bitcoin dominance, and we're also going to be looking at Altcoin dominance. So I have a very action-packed video for you guys today, and it's going to be really good. So hope you guys enjoy it. First, let's look at how the market is doing, right? We're down about 0.51%. We have a couple things in green, couple things in red here and there. But guys, I'm going to show you guys the only thing that matters, all right? What matters is, one, the start to flow model is on track, okay? We are on track. This thing, you can see that where we are right now is where we similarly were in 2017 before entering 2018. And I'm going to show you guys a closer look at how similarly this looks. It's crazy. And the reason I'm very excited is because BTC is doing exactly what I said it was going to do. And this thing is playing out so on point, it's hard not to be excited. Because while a lot of other people are scared and fear where the market is headed, me and my Patreon, we're so confident and we're so excited for the outcome of Bitcoin and how that is going to play into the altcoins that we're investing in, and how this is actually going to ignite the market. First off, let's talk about Bitcoin, okay? We all know that on this channel, we called the bottom of BTC here. We called all this rise up while people were saying this was a bull trap. In reality, it's been a bunch of bear traps. And if you were a bear, you kept selling at these dips and missing out on the pumps. And now I have some very important data to share with you. Let's take a look at here first. Let's take a look at what's going on here. All right. What is going on here? What's going on here is we dipped under the 200 EMA, and then we had a falling wedge, which broke to the upside. And we got above the 200 EMA, and now we're finding support. So I'm just going to switch to this chart real quick because we have the 50 and the 200 MA on this. And look how we are finding great support on the 200 MA on this chart. Very exciting stuff, guys. Very exciting stuff. On top of that, we had a fake death cross, which was a bear trap. And that's why a lot of people are coming in saying, oh, death cross. And I've already told you guys that we already had a golden cross on the daily. And check this out. We're about to have a golden cross on the 4 hour soon. Last time we had a golden cross on the 4 hour was right here. Okay. And that's what started this whole move up for BTC, coming literally from 33,000 all the way to 152,000. and this thing is curving up to form another golden cross on the 4-hour, when we already have a golden cross right now taking place on the daily. Okay, look at this beautiful golden cross going on the daily, guys. Very, very exciting stuff. And we just want to see a full confirmation on that on the MACD. So we want to get a bullish MACD cross as well, which will soon happen. As you can see how this is curving up, and we already have this on the 4-hour. Okay, we had this MACD cross here, and we're on the rise. So now you must be saying, like, what is going on? What's going on is BTC is about to rip to the upside and break 50K again. Once we break 50K again, there's barely any resistance from that area of 50K to 59K. And we're slowly approaching 60K. So this is really exciting stuff because altcoins are going to the moon when this starts happening. And you can see on my EMA ribbon on the 4-hour, we have the long signal also signaling that we are about to start moving up. And look at these wicks, okay? Look at these little wicks on the candles and finding great support. So really exciting stuff. What I want to do is I want to go back a little bit further in time to show you guys something very, very interesting. If I keep going back way past all of this crazy action on the price of BTC, and bring you all the way to 2017 bull run. All right, let's zoom in on this for a little bit. Let's zoom in. Right here, you can see that in 2017, okay, in 2017, I'm actually gonna go a little further back. September was bearish. We saw a big dip. We went under the 200 EMA. Okay, this is similar to the dip we saw. And this started like in September. Most September is usually bearish. But check this out. Literally on September 26th is when BTC started this uptrend. So towards the end of September, this is what I said in the last video. September tends to be bearish, but the end of September is when the bulls literally take over. And on here, on September 26th is when the bulls took over and literally pumped the price of BTC from 4,000 to 20,000, okay? But what I want to show you guys is something right here, all right? This happened in November 2017 when we had this dump, and we touched this 200 EMA again, and it ignited us to the upside. So why am I showing you this? Because if we go back to the stock to flow model, you can see that where we are right now is very similar to where we were before this huge move in 2017. And the colors are matching. On top of that, look at the bottom here. These green areas, when we're in these green areas, is when we see explosive moves for BTC. While when we're in this red area is when BTC is way too overbought, and we tend to see a major dump. So guys, we have a lot of room to run. And I've told you guys again, I have a video that talks about literally how high BTC I think is going to go. My number is 180,000, potentially by the end of this year. And people are going to say, future, that's absurd. But to each their own. You choose what you want to believe in. I trust patterns and I trust trends. And the trend is your friend to the end until it reverses. So far, this trend has been consistent. So this is very important. And what you need to notice, why I think some people are calling 100,000, which I think is fair, why I think we're going to go to 180,000 is because once we reach certain levels, BTC goes parabolic and has what we call a blow off top. See, we got here, blow off top. We got here, blow off top. So the price of Bitcoin actually has that blow off top that surpasses the stock to flow model. And then it needs to cool down and come back. Okay, that's what I see for the price of BTC right now. So I'm going to keep things short on this video as well. I think you guys do appreciate the short videos. So I'm going to make this fast and not really going to get into too much details on these, but what I'm seeing right now for the price of BTC is right now, guys, this looks really, really good that we are in this constant rise and that BTC found support in this green box. And on this falling wedge, we literally hit the bottom of this wedge and we took off. And we have the EMA ribbon in the 4-hour turning long. And also found great support on the 200 moving average. And about to have a golden cross again. That's why I have this little golden area right here. And what we're going to see is BTC accelerating very, very quickly. So that's BTC. Now let's take a look at Ethereum, because Ethereum is getting ready for some big moves. Ethereum, let's get to it. Right now, you can see that Ethereum's been playing out exactly again, as I've been saying. We literally entered this red box, which I told you was going to be resistance because we can't break this area in the first try, right? What I love is that Ethereum didn't fully come to 41 to dump, because that would have been a double top scenario, which would have been a little bearish. But instead, we kind of got close. We came back down. Look how this box that I had there, which was past resistance, future support. We got in there and literally got supported by the 200 EMA, and Ethereum is going back to the upside. We have the long signaling on the EMA ribbon as well. Just as I told you guys, there is no resistance between here and up there. Similar thing. Next stop for Ethereum, guys, is going to be 4,300. It's going to happen very quickly. Literally could happen overnight. It's going to be very exciting because all these other layer ones are going to have another leg up and they're going to start moving. So very, very exciting stuff for Ethereum. Now, if you take a look at Ethereum versus BTC, we can see that I've been calling this a long time and why Ethereum is going to outpace BTC in this bull market. It's because we literally had this round bottom. We were going around for about 2 years, broke out, came, tested this resistance level that I've been at right here. Look how the reason I knew this was going to be a resistance level, because it's been a resistance level here, and also served a little support here, but failed as a support. So this was a resistance level. And look how we literally fell. This could be considered a triangle or also a falling wedge, break to the upside and about to run. What is going to happen once Ethereum breaks this level is going to be amazing. Because once we break this level for Ethereum against BTC, Ethereum is going to run and start outpacing Bitcoin very rapidly. Next level to look at is here as next level of resistance. But I don't think this is going to hold very well. I think we're going to break this resistance very quickly and accelerate to this level up here. So very, very, very exciting stuff. All right. Ethereum is going to be very exciting. Ethereum is now a deflationary asset. I believe the other day more Ethereum was burned than Ethereum created, which is a very exciting thing. So with that said, let's move on. This is my view on Ethereum. We're going to see Ethereum go to 4,300 very quickly. This weekend, I believe, is going to be an extremely bullish weekend. So hold your horses. Get ready to ride this wave, baby. So it's going to be exciting. It's going to be really fun. I'm so excited for all of you guys that's been watching my channel, have been trusting my calls, and been making gains from my setups. I want you guys to make profits, and it's going to be really exciting for you guys. Your wallets are going to start moving. You're going to be like, holy shit. So with that said, let's talk about the total market cap of all crypto. Very important. This is the total market cap of all crypto, including BTC, which you can see is kind of lagging behind because altcoins have been moving much more higher. So right here, we have the all-time high, right, at 2.4 trillion, which we touched, dumped, found support at this line that I had set up here, and we're about to go for another leg up. What do you think is going to happen once we break this level? The entire market cap of cryptocurrencies is about to enter price discovery. And if you don't know about price discovery, what that means is traders don't have much information on what the levels to take profits are. So they're going to use psychological levels because FOMO is going to kick in. The market's just going to keep pumping. Price discoveries are amazing. It's always great getting in on these. And having the entire crypto market going price discovery, moon mission. If you don't know, this is it. Similar. So right here, after BTC broke this, after the whole crypto market cap broke 730 billion, we went into price discovery. I'm going to mark it right here. All right. We went into price discovery and the price accelerated very quickly. See how we went very quickly and went up about 240% for the whole crypto market cap, right? Once again here, if we start going in here, right here, we had price discovery. All right. We literally accelerated right after breaking price discovery. And same thing happened here. We went, touched it, dumped, and then started accelerating. So I'm expecting that from this price discovery, that the whole crypto market cap might literally go from 2.4 trillion all the way to maybe 4 trillion. Okay. And that would be about, that's not even counting 100%. All right. If we're counting 100%, we will see the entire crypto market cap go at least to 5 trillion market cap, which is going to be amazing. It's going to be insane. It's going to be insane. So, yeah, I'm really excited, guys. I'm really excited. I hope you are. And I hope you're not listening to these bears giving you guys fake TA and getting you wrecked and missing games. Yeah. So, now, if you're looking at crypto total market cap excluding BTC, very similar, but a different story. Because altcoins are moving more than BTC right now. So I see this very quickly breaking this level again. You can see when we entered price discovery back then, look how we accelerated. We're about to enter price discovery again, and this thing's about to accelerate very, very quickly. All right. So the top where I see if the altcoins break price discovery and do about 100%, we're going to see the market cap of altcoins themselves literally sitting at market cap 100% sitting at 2 trillion. So we're going to be doubling from where we are right now. What does that mean for your altcoins? On average, your altcoins are going to be doing about 3 to 4x gains if that happens. So I'm really excited to see this happen and very, very, very excited. So buckle up, guys. It's about to be a rough ride. All right, now I do need to touch on something that's very important that a lot of people are also not talking about, which is the Bitcoin dominance and what that means for the entire rest of the market. So right now on Bitcoin dominance, what we have is way back, I've always called this, and I told you guys, pay attention to this. What do you need to pay attention to? Here we go. This is what happened to the Bitcoin dominance when we had the altcoin season in 2017. Very important to understand this. You see this duck right here? Where do I think we are here in this duck? I think we're somewhere around here. Okay, so the Bitcoin dominance is going to crash more. We were in this rise for the Bitcoin dominance, and we broke this trend, and that's why we saw the Bitcoin dominance fall. These two little double bottoms I have here is even since last year I had these on here, is what I believe is going to happen with the Bitcoin dominance potentially coming by the end of the year, maybe January, and having a bounce. And altcoins are going to bleed on this bounce. But I could be wrong. We may not have a bounce, and the Bitcoin dominance may tank more, meaning that your altcoins are going to literally see like triple digit, like 10x gains. It's insane. What we're seeing right now is we were having on the Bitcoin dominance, we had a rising wedge, which is bearish, and we broke to the downside of it, which was expected. And right now we're back at this level here, which we need to break below for the altcoins to take off. So with that said, now let's move to the others chart, which is the dominance of altcoins against BTC. I'm sounding like a broken record because I need to repeat this for you guys to really understand what's really going on. This was the altcoin season in 2017, where this dominance level went from 1.58 all the way to 12%. Okay, and we've been in this major triangle for about since 2017 to 2021, right here. Okay. And what happened is we finally broke up. So the reason all your altcoins made all this money is because we had a bounce from the bottom of the triangle and we broke to the upside. And this rise right here is when your altcoins were in double-digit greens, triple-digit greens even. And you see this level was the previous all-time high, which was a resistance. Okay, you see how we went up there, failed to break it once, twice, and a third time. And look how now that past resistance is serving as major support. What this means, okay, is that right now, guys, altcoins, not Bitcoin, altcoins are about to go parabolic very soon. All we need to do is break this previous level of 17% dominance. And this thing is going to enter price discovery and dominance and start mooning. Guys, you got to be excited for this because, and this is why I've been saying to my Patreon guys, we're about to witness one of the biggest altcoin season in history. It's going to make history. And if you're not excited and if you think we're going to crash, you are going to miss out on this biggest life-changing opportunity that's coming right now. 100%. You breathe. So this is what I'm watching for. This is what I'm waiting for. I'm not going to talk about altcoins. I've already given you guys some altcoin setups in the past videos, but this is what you guys need to keep your eyes on in order to be successful in this market and make the gains. All right. I hope you guys appreciate my video. If you find value in it, you know what to do. Click the like button, subscribe to the channel, click the bell notification, share this with your friends, share it on Twitter, get people to follow this channel because honestly, if they're not, they're missing out on all the biggest gains. All right. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are staying safe. And most importantly, if you